Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamers. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change your name on 8 Ball Pool's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your name on 8 Ball Pool, firstly go ahead and launch open your 8 Ball Pool application. The home page of 8 Ball Pool application will appear on the screen. Click on your profile icon at the top left corner of the page. On the next page, tap on Trophy Road. Click on pen icon right next to your name. Edit your name and tap on Confirm. This is how you can change your name on 8 Ball Pool's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.